What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can get stretch resolution in Fortnite PC. Well, getting the stretch resolution in Fortnite is pretty simple. So the process for that is pretty simple. First of all, you need to know that which stretch resolution you want. Suppose you want 1280 by 960. Now how you can implement it? So for that, you just have to be at your Windows. You just have to go to the search and simply search for percentage app data percentage. Now this is what you have to search, and you will see a file folder. You click on that. Once you click on that, you just have to click on this app data right here. Once you click on this app data, click on local and then simply search for Fortnite. And there you go, Fortnite game just popped up. Here, just open Fortnite game and go to the saved. In the saved, you just have to go to config. In the config, you just have to go to this client settings. Just right click on it and try to open it up with the notepad. So I'm just going to open up with notepad. Once the settings are opened up, as you can see, these are not the right files. So we will go to Windows Client, and in the Windows Client, you'll be able to see this game user settings. So I'm just going to open this up with the notepad. Now, as you can see, these are the files. This is the file that you need to edit. Now, what you have to do is you just have to go to the resolution section. Suppose you had a 1920 by 1080 resolution. So I'm just going to search for that. There you go. And there you go. As you can see, resolution just popped up. Here you just have to change both of these resolution just like that. Suppose you want a 1280, so you just have to set to 1280 by 960. Now I'm just going to set this like that, and then I'm going to do the same here as well. Now I'm just going to quickly copy it, paste it, copy it, paste it. Now what you have to do is you just have to click on this file and then click on save. Once you have saved it, you just have to right click on it and then click on show more options and then click on properties. In the properties, you just have to check this read only and apply. Now once you do that, your settings will be set to like stretch resolution, and it won't be changed whenever you restart the game. So that's how I'll be able to change it to a stretch resolution in Fortnite. Just have to turn on the Fortnite and you will see a stretch resolution. Hope you guys find this video helpful.